Veracity is a project with great supporters and use cases, but few market caps. Although this cryptocurrency might be low, it has stood the test of time. Due to Veracity's low capitalization, the volatility tends to be high and investors want to know if $1 billion in market cap is achievable with this project, as they ask questions like, Elivar, do you believe in Veracity? Do you believe Veracity will lead the altcoin season to about 50x? How high do you think altcoin can go? Is $1 billion in market cap achievable for Veracity? Investors still go on asking for the price prediction of Veracity and my reasons for that. I will be discussing all these, but before getting into the discussion, I'm Elivar Crypto, a crypto enthusiast and investor. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say about coins I talk about is from my research and opinions. So when investing in any coin I recommend, kindly do a little more research to be on the safer side, and do not forget to invest wisely. Also, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button so this video can reach more people. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. First, we need to look at the current price detail to know how high we can go from here. Looking at CoinMarketCap, you will notice the chart is kinda of a downside movement due to Bitcoin and the global crypto market. Well, the impressive thing about this project today is the community sentiment votes. 92% of the community voted bullish for Veracity. This is huge because most crypto project has an average of 50% to 70%. Seeing Veracity at around 92% shows how great of a community Veracity has. Anyway, Vera is currently down at 2%, and it is trading at about $0.004. With a market cap of around $40 million and a 24-hour trading volume of $7.5 million. Even with the downtrend, my advice to you is to keep buying Veracity, and this is because it is very undervalued. The previous all-time high of the Veracity project was about $300 million, and I believe $1 billion from here is possible with the work rate of the team and the new adoption of AI. If the market begins to pump back up, I believe VRA will lead the bull run. This is all I have to say. Now let's get deep into the details of Veracity. Veracity is a unique blockchain ecosystem that makes use of a patented consensus mechanism called the Proof of View, POV, to solve the problem of video advertising and NFT-related fraud schemes. The protocol is mainly used as a product layer for esports, video entertainment, and digital content creation. There are multiple products connected to the ecosystem, like the VeraWallet, the VeraPlayer, and the native Vera token that can be used to participate in the online gaming and video content economy. This article is a guide to Veracity and contains everything there is that you need to know about the project to help you decide whether it is a good investment. So, without further ado, let us get started. Veracity is a blockchain platform designed to power esports, video entertainment, and manage digital content. It includes a proprietary ad stack and a reward system that has been integrated into the software development kits, SDKs, for YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo, and other major video streaming platforms. The blockchain functions on a patented consensus mechanism called the Proof of View that uses AI, transparency, and immutability to combat online ad fraud. POV ensures that each content viewed by a user is authentic and the data is recorded on Veracity's public ledger. Moreover, the platform provides stakeholders within the video ad space with a trusted source for capturing verified human view counts in real time. Veracity aims to support the fast-growing esports industry and gaming community by providing them with a reliable server infrastructure, proof of view security, and a product layer platform for video entertainment called the VeraPlayer. The proof of view consensus also includes NFTs, providing marketplaces and buyers the ability to verify the authenticity of the digital collectibles they wish to list, buy, or sell. This also ensures that those minting or selling NFTs are actually who they say they are, and the collectible is what it truly claims to be. What is the VRA token? VRA is the native utility and governance token of the Veracity blockchain. The crypto token can be used for a variety of purposes in the ecosystem, such as staking, earning rewards, and spending. VRA has a maximum supply of 100.2 billion tokens, out of which 10.2 billion VRA are currently in circulation. At the time of writing, VRA has had a 24-hour trading volume of $16.3 million. The total market capitalization of VRA is $57.4 million, and the fully diluted valuation of the whole supply is $561.67 million. Is Verasity a good investment? The esports sector has grown by 50% since 2022 and could reach a valuation of $1.6 billion in 2024. This indicates that the online gaming industry has a huge potential as its prominence in the field of sports is only going to rise. Verasity enables esports and video entertainment markets to host streams on its blockchain, while its VeraWallet token allows creators, gamers, and players to earn rewards and grow their wealth. Considering the upward trajectory of the esports and gaming industry, it is only wise to invest in a crypto project like Verasity that has a major role to play. As the cryptocurrency market is on the rise with the listing of Bitcoin ETFs, experts predict a bull run in the coming months.